discuss the most important concept in fractions. When we work with many fraction problems, we need to learn about least common denominator, or also known as LCD. Let us work with half, a third, and a fifth in our next example. In order to compare, add, or subtract these three fractions, we need to figure out their least common denominator. We need to work on the multiple of 2, 3, and 5. We identified that the lowest number of multiples that would appear in multiplication table of 2, 3, and 5 is 30. Now that we have identified the LCD as 30, we need to work on the fraction. The most important rule in fraction is that whatever number you multiply on the denominator, you need to multiply the same on the numerator. Let us start. For half, what number does 2 have to multiply with to get an answer of 30? That would be 15. By the rule we just mentioned earlier, we must multiply 15 on the numerator. So half can be represented as 15 over 30. For a third, what number does 3 have to multiply with to get an answer of 30? That would be 10. Again, by the rule we just recited earlier, we must multiply 10 on the numerator. So a third can be represented as 10 over 30. For a fifth, what number does 5 have to multiply with to get an answer of 30? That would be 6. We must multiply 6 on the numerator, so a fifth can be represented as 6 over 30. Now we can compare half, a third, and a fifth. The biggest fraction of these three fractions is half, because 15 is bigger than both 10 and 6. The smallest fraction of these three fractions is a fifth, because 6 is smaller than 15 and 10. We can put fractions in an ascending order. Ascending means increasing. So it will be a fifth, followed by a third, and half. Descending means getting smaller. By arranging the fractions in a descending order, we get half, followed by a third, and a fifth.